Hi there! Welcome to a quick overview of the Rich Text Editor, a new enhancement for Cogbooks Courseware. The Rich Text Editor provides a multifunctional toolbar at the top of the Ask Your Instructor question box, allowing for better communication with your instructor. As you are working through your learning activities, when needed, you'll be provided with additional instructional material, along with the ability to reach out directly to your instructor to ask questions. Within the toolbar, there will be several new functions you can take advantage of, including adding bullet points, inserting an image, copying a link, modifying the background, as well as the font, and adding special characters. We hope these new features will help improve your learning experience.